What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to give you guys a quick video on how I achieve these knotless box braids. And I have the hair, as you can see, her natural hair section prior to doing the braid. So what I'm doing here right now, I am laying her hair down with some Ebin edge control. And I'm sectioning them into three, starting the braid off with her natural hair, guys, using a small piece to add in. And when you add that hair in, you want to tuck it as tight as possible so that you can't see where the hair is added in. So you basically are creating an invisible braid. It's very similar to a feeding braid, except it's not to the scalp. It's an individual braid. So as you can see, I continuously add the pieces in until I achieve the same thickness of the other braids. Now, with the pieces on the edges, you want to make sure that you don't add a lot of hair in, because naturally our hair on the inside area of our head is thicker. So like I said, you just want to, use your bird's eye view and make sure that the braid is the same width and thickness as the other braids. So like I said, the insides, you really don't have to add as much hair in as you would on the edges. So as you can see, we have a nice, sleek, beautiful, flawless, knotless braid. Very low tension on her edges. You can tell that it's not bothering her. It's not, tugging or pulling, and it's nicely placed in there. So yeah, right here, I'm going to show you guys how to add in the color. Same method, just using, she wanted a few highlights of red in there, burgundy, so same method. And you'll see that I don't add in as much hair as I did with the braid on the edge. And you just want to, like I said, regulate that thickness and width of the braid. And as I'm braiding, if I notice that the braid is not the same thickness as the other braids, I'll take it out and go back and add a piece in, like I said, to regulate that size. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I will be posting more often. Stay tuned and let me know if you want more tutorials. Thanks for watching.